What's up, guys? Flawless half case random number 5. Going live. Timestamp is 928. Just got it in. Already have the teams in. Already have the names in. Dice has to be 4 or more. We randomize both. Throw you in a spreadsheet. Wherever you end up, that's who you get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7. Chiefs on top. Ooh, who's going to get the Chiefs spot? WMMRQJ. Let's put our teams in here. Let's do the names. Again, 4 or more. It is a 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Ralph ends up on top, gets the Chiefs. Eric Thames on the bottom. YAVUUB is the code. There you go, guys. That is who everybody has. Good luck in the break. And we are done. Timestamp 9:30. Thanks, guys.